In United States we say, how
Dito
are you?
mamasyal naman ulit ako guys.
In China
Tuturo
we
muna ako
say, ni hao ma. In Brazil we say, tudo bem. In South Africa we say, how's it? In France we say, ça va. In Japan we say, o genki desu ka. In Nigeria we say, how far? In Australia we say, how you going? In India we say, apka. Say hi. In Germany we say, wie geht's? In Mexico we say, ¿cómo estás? In Egypt we say, Isaac. In Argentina we say, ¿cómo estás? In Canada we say, how's it going? In Italy we say, come stai? In Kenya we say, habari yako? In South Korea we say, Jalgines yo yo. In Spain we say, ¿qué tal? In Morocco we say, lavas. In Thailand we say, sabay di mai. In New Zealand we say, how's it going? In Turkey we say, nasılsın? In Ghana
May nagpipik na rin pa ilan-ilan. Ang barko nila guys. Tatay sa dagat guys. Ganda na dito. May tao rin guys dito kaya na. Dito ay blue water. May blue water guys eh. Ay, bato-bato. May nagpipishing sila dito. Ganda guys ng island na to guys. Grabe. Yun ang mga beach resort. May nagpipishing din dito guys. Yung nagpipishing. May isda kaya dito. May isda na siguro dito guys. Yan. Nasa nakatayo. Ayan. May isda nakabantay. Parang mamaya may isda na sila.